Hello everyone, this is your weekend buddy Gilbert Gahe. Thank you for visiting my channel. For this video, I will be installing a new accessory to Bella that will make it more classic looking. I am talking about a front fender license plate. Although this is not common for motorcycles here in the Philippines, this is not something new for classic bikes from the 50s as shown in the next two pictures. Please hit the like button if you like this video. And if you want to know more DIY stuffs, please do subscribe to this channel.